Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the system safe. Shut the breaker and lock out power, then recover refrigerant with a certified recovery machine until the gauge reads 0 sig. Once the charge is recovered, remove the service valve's caps and disconnect the manifold hoses. Next, open the access on the condensing unit and unthread the electrical conduit, control wires, and compressor terminals. Keep wires labeled. Make sure to ground the system and wear safety glasses and gloves before proceeding to unbolt the compressor. With the compressor supported, unbolt the mounting brackets and free the unit. Use 2 people or a hoist for heavy units. Cut or braze the suction and discharge lines cleanly, then cap open lines to prevent contamination. Once removed, clean the line ends and install a liquid line dryer or filter per manufacturer specs. Now verify the new compressor matches mounting, voltage, and shaft orientation. Then add or transfer the correct oil amount and type. This prevents motor damage and ensures proper lubrication once the system is restarted. Position and bolt the new compressor, then braze the joints while purging with dry nitrogen to prevent oxidation. After brazing, perform a pressure leak test with nitrogen at about 150-200 psi and soap check all joints. Fix leaks before proceeding. Next, evacuate the system to 500 microns, backfill with dry nitrogen if needed, and charge refrigerant to the manufacturer's specification. Finally, start the unit. Monitor running amps, pressures, and oil return. If suction pressure
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.